So hi guys, in this video we are going to create a home automation. So 3 light switches and 1 fan switches using RainMaker app. So we move to circuit diagram. So in this circuit diagram, voltage pin is connected to voltage pin of relay module and ground pin is connected to ground pin. Next, I declare a 22, 25, 26 and 23rd pin is a output pin. It is connected to input 1, input 2, input 3 and input 4. So the circuit diagram is over. So next we move to coding part. So this is my coding part. So in this part I already tell about the RainMaker header, Wi-Fi header and Wi-Fi provision header in previous video. So if you want to see the video, please click the I button to see the video after you enter into this video. After you enter in this video. So next I declare a device name. So I declare a device name light switch 1, light switch 2 and a light switch 3. Next I declare a device name equal to fan switch. So I default relay mode equal to true. I declare I use a 4 relay, so I declare 4 relay mode equal to true. So next BLE credential. So Wi-Fi credential service name equal to Wi-Fi credential password and name. So next I declare a GPIO. So in relay pin 1, 22 pin is a relay pin 1, relay 2 equal to 23, relay 3 equal to 25 and relay 4 equal to 26. So next Wi-Fi LED equal to 2. So next the normal relay state equal to true. I declare the 4 for true and Wi-Fi connected equal to 0. So next I declaring a device. So in declaring a framework, I declare light bulb. My switch 1 equal to device name equal to relay 1. Next I declare a light bulb. My switch 2 equal to device 2 and relay 2. Light bulb equal my switch 3 equal to device 3 and relay 3. Fan equal to my switch equal to 4, device name and relay 4. Next we move to the setup part. So white setup. So in white setup, GPIO is a input. Relay equal to output, relay 2 equal to output, relay 3 equal to output and relay 4 equal to output, Wi-Fi equal to output. So default the relay state is true. So next we declaring a nodes. Node equal to my node equal to RainMaker initial node. I declare a name, my name. So next, okay, I declare a home automation also. If you want to change this name, you can change. So next my switch could add write callback function. So I call the function. So I already discussed in previous video the function device equal to device. So device name equal to device name 1. So device name equal to device name 1. So device name 1 equal to light switch 1. So device name equal to light switch 1. It is enter into if the function, if the two string is same, it equal to 0, it enter into the another if function. So then another function, another condition is same, then you enter into the next serial print. So received value equal to true, the relay state equal to true, true equal to true, the relay state will be low. So next, if the condition is false, the relay state will be high. Next, every action will update in using parameter updated report value. So next, else if the condition is false, then it is enter into the next if function. So same thing is happen. So adding a device in node, my node equal to add device, my switch 1. Next, my node equal to add a device, my switch 2. So I declare a same thing in 4 switches. So next So next I declare a Wi-Fi status, Wi-Fi equal to connected. So Wi-Fi not connected, the light is blink. If the Wi-Fi connected, the blink is false. Okay. So we move to the hardware part. So thank you. This is my hardware part. So after I completed my pin use jumper wire connected between ESP32 and relay module. So using a jumper wire to connect the ESP32 and relay module based upon a circuit diagram. So the circuit diagram are given below in description. So you see that in description, and coding also I given below in the description. So when I turn on the switch, so the input 1 is turn on. When I turn on the light 2, so next light 3, light 4 and fan switch. So it start blinking. When I turn off the switch, so all the relays turn off. So if you want more about IoT projects, please follow me on YouTube. Thank you. So now you see the widget in my phone. So now I turn on the light. So now the light is glow. So turn off, the light is turn off. So now you see the light will glow. You see that. So now I use the second fourth pin for a exhaust fan connection. So when I turn on, the fan will turn on. The fan is turned on. When I turn off, the fan is turned on. Okay, this is my complete home automation for demo purpose. If you want more video about IoT, so you follow me on YouTube. Thank you, brothers.